What you see is the accommodation where we are staying in Khuri in Rajasthan. So the desert festival is happening for the first time in Khuri this year, and today is like the 8th of February. This location, I guess we found it a really nice place to stay if you plan to come. I like the service. The tent and everything is like clean. The service is quick, and the spot where the main desert is happening is just like, you can say, walking distance, because you can see from here also. I'll show you. What you see out there is the spot. You see that, guys? That's the spot where the festival is happening. You have an option to go there by camel cart and jeep. So they offer you camel safari, jeep safari, and they do the pickup from here itself and can take you, or you can walk down. If you are like, you're in adventurous mood, you can just walk down there. And so we are going there now because the camel race is about to happen and we want to reach there before time. Yeah, so let's go. Khuri Desert Festival is happening, and there will be a lot of events. It started at 2 p.m. It would go until late night, about 11, I guess, and a lot of events would happen throughout the day. The first one we're about to witness is the Camel Race, which is about to start now, so let's check it out. Camel race in Khuri is about to start. We'll be witnessing the camel race for the first time in our lives. Aren't we excited, guys? Woo!
कैमल सफारी का आनंद ले रहे हैं और ये पीछे जो आप मैदान देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर अभी ऊँटों की फाइनल दौड़ होने वाली है और ऊँटों की जबरदस्त दौड़ का मजा लोग लेना चाहते हैं।
Wow, this was close. Camel safari is free today throughout. It's complimentary by the organizer, the government here. So Yuvraj from Khuri, whom I met here at this festival, is gifting the safa to me and he wants me to wear it throughout the event. Done? How do I look? Thank you so much. We just finished the camel race and it was a good experience, I should say. And now we would be heading off to the event ground. In the evening at about 6:30, the musical event would start by the Atrangi project. Of course, enjoying that as well. This event would go on till like 11 p.m. today. Having a nice time. See, I got the look. The look is complete now. The sunset is about to happen. We would witness the sunset as well, and I'm sure it will be another beautiful sunset in the history of Peppy Traveler. Khuri Desert Festival is happening after a span of 35 years, guys. The government restarted it because they want to promote the culture in a bigger way, in a bigger span. And the Some Festival, the Some Desert Festival is one of the most popular and that is the biggest. This time they're doing it here as well and that is the reason we especially came to Khuri to witness this. From all around have come to witness this festival, I would say. And I have Madhur with me. Let Madhur introduce himself, from where he is and from where did he get to know about this festival.
Hello, yeah, my name is Madhur and I am from Haryana basically, but I have shifted to Ahmedabad from last 5 years. So this festival I got to know about Instagram page called Jaisalmer, and obviously experience is so ultimate. I never experienced, Rajasthan be like this happening. It's my kind of youth people, youth are here, and obviously machana is ultimate here.
Machana.
Yeah, machayenge.
Machayenge.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so what is the best thing you would pick up, if I would say? Just pick up one best thing that you liked about this entire.
Weather.
The weather?
Weather is ultimate.
All right, so that's really nice. I got the school person here who really knows, I feel, how to enjoy life, you know. He's
Exactly.
game for everything. So cheers to that, by the way. And thank you so
Thank
much.
you, thank you.
Thank you. popular garlic chutney. I just love this in Rajasthan. Wow.
This is the konda curry.
Konda?
Konda curry.
Konda क्या होता है?
That means onion curry.
Onion curry, huh?